I was looking at the Vectorworks forum and somebody wanted to have a grade object like this and then calculate distances along that grade object to interpolate the elevations along that grade. So one of the ways of doing it is to do it mathematically, where you know this height, you know the percentage, and you could calculate the distance. The other way to do it would be to use a three-dimensional site model. To me, that would be the easy way to create a 3D site model, but that's not what they wanted. They wanted to do this in 2D. So I've got a grade object, so you can put in the elevations of each end for that grade object. And then I'm going to use a stake object. Now, the stake object I've got set so that it is using the 2D graphic. Okay, and I've got my precision, my elevations in meters. So let's change to a 3D view. There's my grade object along here. That's the midpoint. This is the other end. So there's a midpoint there. I can come along to this point here, find the midpoint between those two. Touch that, find the midpoint between those two. And now let's have a look in plan view. And you can see what it's done. It's calculated now the elevation of that along the grade, the elevation of that along the grade, and that one along the grade. Now it's not live, so if I change this grade object, these don't automatically update. But at least it gives you that information and it calculates those along the grade. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that.